gonna go down the mountain to the river and do some trout fishing. We're going down the mountain, not around the mountain. We're going down the mountain. Because right in that little pocket, I saw one swim out when I walked by. Yeah, you got him. You got him. Ah, you got him. That's it. There you go. You got one. Yeah, you did. Nice little brown.
Oh, he was a fighter. All right, buddy, try not to hook you.
Well, grab a hold of him and then get the hook.
Oh.
There you go.
I did it.
There you go. Your first brown out of Sweetwater Creek.
He's talking to me. I'll put you back, buddy.
There you go. Yeah, I gotta retie. There he goes. Out that way.
Yes, I did it. I didn't.
Oh! I got an angry fish on. You want me to slap a fly? I got it. Yours was bigger though. Yours was bigger.
I saw that. He was trying to fish upside down. Oh, he got himself in the eyeball.
Yeah, he swiped it. Damn, he got it good too.
I know, buddy. He's trying.
Ah. Damn it. I didn't bring my pliers. He got it good too. Okay, just to let everybody know, I didn't get to do a release on that fish, but I did get the hook out of him. He did go back, and all is good. There he is. There he is. Angry fish. Angry fish. Oh, he's a nice one too. Okay, let this guy back. There he goes. Off he goes. That way. There he goes. Trying to catch up with Stephanie. She's leaving me behind. I think she's having a lot of fun though. I do believe she's having a lot of fun. You want to get it up by them trees, but keep them stay out of them trees. That's where they're hiding, is under them trees. Oh, angry fish. Oh, he's a nice one too. Way bigger. It's the biggest one of the day. Right there, everybody. Oh, calm down. Right there, everybody. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Beautiful, nice big one. Nice big one. Okay, get this guy back. Here we go. There he is. He's swimming off over that way. You never know. You want mine? I got another one right here.
No, I'm good, baby.
We need to buy more trout lures though.
I'm gonna have to bigger one.
Because this is a nice spot here. Watch this. Right?
Right there.
That was a hard hit.
That was a nice one.
That was a hard hit.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, there he is. There he is, a little one. Angry, oh, 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 there he goes. He's going down. He didn't make the water. Didn't make the water. Hold on, little guy. There we go. Oh my goodness, that smell just got worse. Whew. There he is. All right, let this little guy go. There he went. I knew there was one in them trees. I just knew it. Yep, there he is. Oh, he fell back in. All right, got to get another one. We got it back. We got to hit him, get him on shore. Oh, we got another hot spot. Couple more hot spots here. Oh, he hit it. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, Stephanie. Oh, shoot. He was huge. There he is. There he is. Angry fish. Angry fish. Angry fish. Woo! He's a nice one too. There we go. There's another one. Nice one. Real nice one. Okay. Stop, 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 stop. Trying to slap me. There we go. All right, here you go, buddy. There you go. There, off he goes. Hit the big bull. No, you stay. Here, come get my pole in case he charges me. I'm gonna keep him off of you. It's a big bull. This way I can run faster without my pole. Run, big boy, run! He's going away from us. Yeah. Stay behind me. If he comes at me, you head for the trees. That's a big bull. Stay by the trees. Hey, that ain't fair. You went on the other side of the river. You're not supposed to do that. Stay on this side of the river. Bye, big bull. Bye, buddy.